Now I know I could probably get a smaller one to this, but this was a gift and the person's no longer with us, so I would like to keep that as a little memento. Like, I don't know, I don't think I'm ready to get rid of that. This, I don't know, because I do like how it looks, and but I know culturally some people may have a problem, but I'll see. Now, I know it kind of looks like it's not gonna get done in like 3 hours, and maybe that may be the case, but I'm going to my best, do my best. And to be honest with you, I've done a lot of organizing to do organizing because the containers over there, so that white stuff, the sheets and stuff, they're storage containers. I already went through them the other day, and a lot of those things are like costumes and things like that. So it's annoying that I haven't done the videos, but I'm thinking of getting rid of it because you know what, I can always get more. So I'm gonna do like a little costume. Oh, I have a rack, so I'll probably put them up on there. So it may look like another side quest, but it's a part of the project, and that's why I feel like it's. Um, I've done a lot of preparation, so honestly, I probably can get everything done if I stay to it. But I know I'm not gonna stay in one spot. I'll be moving between. This looks so horrible. Obviously, it wasn't looking like this before, but the macrame, I think I will take those because I do like them. So I like this one, the little floor scheme I had going on here. And then like it's just this area. I was gonna do a little plant there. That's why the grow lights are there. And yeah, this I have to get rid of because termites are in the building and they sprayed it, but they couldn't do my stuff. They put like a little hole in the wall. Anyway, this I'm taking with me. I think I got this from Mexico. Oh, and these are some of my favorite things. Like these are like the vacation shot glasses and stuff, right? I don't do well this. Yeah, that was a Bahama trip. I have a few of them because I got them each trip. This is like a Disney one. And I don't even drink, but shot glasses are easy to carry. And I remember I had a friend. This was from a trip to. This was what's it? This was a Key West trip. This is a Cozumel, yeah. These two, like I like the craft work, the artwork or whatever, the craftsmanship. And I thought this was cool because the whole alien declassified thing was a rage at the time. I saw, I guess, I don't know, I was drawn to this one. I actually use this too. I like it, but yeah, like I take apple cider vinegar shots. He's asleep, but I'm gonna take those two as well. And yeah, so these are my son's ones, and this one he definitely keeping as his name, even though someone wouldn't really know that was that, but like that. This I am keeping. This was it's like a Dollar Tree bin basket that I put just the gifts and stuff, and then we didn't get rid of it, and then each year I just ended up using the same one. This is when he was a lot older, so it's like 14 or so, when it wasn't as important. When I was younger, it's not even important now when I really think about it. I just wanted him to have the experience. But anyhow, this is our delivery system, so now I just put stuff in here, and if there's a treat, he knows it's there. I know it's silly, but that's how like little communication. I'm keeping things like this. I'm only one of them, but this I made it, so I didn't make the cup, but with the paint and and I'm gonna get my son's one. He did a really good. I'm still such a proud mom with these silly things, but can you tell what the theme is? He painted that and then he just left because this is that where you can write on it and stuff, I guess. But I don't know because they put in a kiln, but I think that's Patrick's house. Squidward's house, and then of course SpongeBob. I showed that part already, and then the inside he painted. I don't want to show what he has. So, well, I guess this is money I came. Money I came to America with, and I still have it. They probably don't have this circulating in England anymore, but it's not too private. It's just little gadgets and stuff like his friend, little silly friendship bracelets. I believe boys that have girl as their best friend usually are more emotionally intelligent because I witnessed that so much. But yeah, they can play games. That's his name. Oh, that's the same. No, I thought it was the same font, but yeah. But yeah.